Games and sports are two areas of fitness that have positive impact on the physical and mental health, thereby resulting in all-round development of an individual. Dwelling on the importance of games and sports, Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bante Dorlingdo, while speaking on promoting various disciplines of sports in the state, urged upon all associations who intend to participate or compete in regional and national games conducted by the Government of India or the Indian Olympics Association to approach the sports department for registration 3 to 4 months prior to the tournament or competition to enable the state government to sanction the required financial assistance even before the players leave for the tournament.
Ba kinu menta ki bakwa bali menta khamtami ki national level ki ba conduct da kinu ki aschan jong government of India nang ni da ka IOA shwa bakin lek kila plan lupa lamar menta ngi ila sedang khut unu khnyang dai kila bun ki tournament shwa bakin lek at least lai sau banai ki di wan lupa ban bu ki application ban penbaik lupa ba directorate khnang ba ki lek ngi yo ban sanction ki umdai bakin lek ni sai hadin katu ka jab ikun ta kalong ba ikun ta kani ka system ro ban change ngi tu pinga kwa ban kerpa kinu ki aschan kiba yalami ki kena ban lekai baru ki jai discipline ong fi kibala itu daga government of India ba itu daga Indian Olympic Association kita ki association ki donkam banwan banbu application ne banwan ban kendu inga le ni kendu ka director bakin bu application kenang bangingin le badonkam ban yo ban lai banai so banai kan bu sanction ke nomor ki kila don daga kalender kila plan bahakan ni ka benai kan don ka tournament hangta kani ka benai kan don ka tournament ta kenang bangingin yo bani rap kin mi skmat namar ngong kumangi terang dei amdai bersyukuran ni dai baik ban sai player ngong phi bani simbenta ka Olympic 2024.
The sports minister also informed that a proposal had been forwarded to the union government for Meghalaya to host the Khelo India Games, and if approved, the entire expenses, he informed, would be borne by the central government. As part of the 50th statehood celebrations in 2022, the minister further informed that the state would celebrate sports in a big way by either hosting the Northeast Games or some big sporting event.
Kani kala kata pelan henry ngong ifi nakabenta ka celebration pat 50 years kata usia mula dep keren bang haban pelong ki jingil ka ki sports ki befer ngila ban pelong not this game ngila ban pelong ki jingil ka ki befer po ke jelajung ngin celebrate in big way ngani tu ifi kata te celebration in big way
kan national games it seems
kan national game ngani tu ifi ka try kala kham tough kan dia nomor beli ngani tu ifi ba ngong ifi Arsenal ngido bat nreng ngong ifi wat laka taru mendai pat bangin ong ba ngila do ika national game mah namar ki we state ki de ban pelong so jong ngiru kita ru kam pelong ki we ru limba kan ni pandemic bat ngiru ngong ifi ka ika badon kampan la ngimla ban pelong la ban long arfulai la ban long arfsaw la ban long arfsan tambah kan national game kan long nreng nga ka ika bang kwa ban ong ifi ka bangingi la ong ya government of India ru ba ai lat ingi bangin pelong ki Khelo India youth game ru hamne dikatar kan saya nama katur ko dibahe ba kata ka dai bang yapan ka sarkar India ru ba ka bay pisa bahan itu fi national game yapan pulut ngaladi ka babon ri Khelo India ka bon ba kay rap ka government of India ti kani kan dengan nang yain kun bay ri ngong fi na ka benta ka bit ka biang jong ginong ile kay na benta sport si ba sport ko jela jong ginle kay ko pata